Are you trying to eat healthier but finding it hard to break away from those unhealthy snacks you love so much? Well, you're not alone. Many of us struggle with making healthier food choices, especially when we're used to reaching for our favorite unhealthy snacks. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 easy ways to swap out your unhealthy snacks for healthier options. We all know that unhealthy snacks are loaded with sugar, unhealthy fats, and empty calories that can contribute to weight gain, poor digestion, and a host of other health problems. But making healthy choices doesn't mean you have to give up snacking altogether. In fact, there are plenty of delicious and satisfying snacks that are also good for you. So, let's get started with our first tip. Tip number 1. Swap out your chips for roasted chickpeas. Chickpeas are high in protein and fiber, making them a filling and nutritious snack. Plus, they're easy to make and can be seasoned with your favorite spices. To make roasted chickpeas, simply rinse and drain a can of chickpeas, pat them dry, and toss them with olive oil and your favorite spices. Then, roast them in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes until they're crispy and golden brown. Tip number 2. Swap out your candy for fruit. Fruit is naturally sweet and packed with vitamins and antioxidants that can boost your health. Some great options for snacking include apples, bananas, oranges, berries, and grapes. Tip number 3. Swap out your soda for flavored water. Soda is loaded with sugar and can contribute to weight gain and other health problems. Flavored water is a great alternative that still provides a refreshing and tasty drink. To make flavored water, simply add your favorite fruits and herbs to a pitcher of water and let it infuse for a few hours. Some great options include lemon and mint, cucumber and basil, or strawberry and lime. Tip number 4. Swap out your ice cream for frozen yogurt. While ice cream is delicious, it's often high in fat and calories. Frozen yogurt is a great alternative that's lower in fat and calories but still provides a creamy and satisfying treat. To make frozen yogurt, simply blend together your favorite fruit with Greek yogurt and freeze it for a few hours. You can also add honey or maple syrup for added sweetness. Tip number 5. Swap out your cookies for homemade granola bars. Store-bought cookies are often loaded with sugar and unhealthy fats. Homemade granola bars are a healthier alternative that you can customize to your liking. To make homemade granola bars, simply mix together rolled oats, nuts, seeds, and your favorite sweeteners like honey or maple syrup. Then, press the mixture into a baking dish and bake it for 25 to 30 minutes until it's golden brown. Once cooled, cut the mixture into bars and enjoy them as a tasty and filling snack. And there you have it, 5 easy ways to swap out your unhealthy snacks for healthier options. Remember, making small changes to your diet can have a big impact on your health and well-being. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to this channel so you won't miss any new videos.